Good morning, students. Here, passage 4, 1.5, his first flight. It's the last passage of this lesson. The passage starts from, then he completely dash dash his first flight. Remember this. Let us see the fourth passage. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. So first time he got the confidence. He come to know that I can. If you have strong desire to do something, the whole world conspires. So in this way, your hard work, your attempts are very important to achieve something in our life. First time here, little seagull bird understand, and first time he got the self confidence. So now he is flying in the fourth passage. He is flying in the sky with his parents, brothers, and sister. He is flying over the water, catching the fish, and feeling proud that I can also fly and I am flying. That spirit here we can experience. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. So these lines tell us that first time now he is flying here, there, water. He saw a vast green sea beneath him. Now flying over the sea, downside here the green sea somehow, and looking at the sky, the blue sky. So that picture he was experiencing. He saw a vast green sea beneath him with his little ridges moving over it and turned his beak sideways and cawed assumedly. Means he was making sound means voice like this, ga 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 like this, and flying over the sea, and feeling very happy, joyful moments, and first time now he is enjoying the green sea, the blue sky, very happy. His parents and his brothers and sisters had landed on his green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. So, flying over the sea, he was touching to the green sea and showing that, Father, Mother, I am flying over the sea. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings, but he was tired and weak with hunger and he could not rise. Exhausted by the strange exercise, his feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it and he sank no further. He was floating on it. Around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their bigs were offering him scraps of dogfish he had made his first flight. So he was showing his parents that I am able to fly. Look, father, I am flying in the sky, soaring in the sky, or touching to the water, or catching the fish. So parents became very happy, and the little silver birds also become very happy and feels proud of. So parents put him in front uh, as a food, that is fish. So in this way, he had made his first flight. So okay, in the fourth passage, we understand how their parents were praising him for his different activities. But overall, in the fourth passage, we understand that hard work is the key of success. Unless you apply your attempt, you get nothing. And that's why try, but don't cry. And you always remember that a drop make ocean. So number of things he had learned from their parents, So in that age, in that young age, do you know, a child, that son or daughter, they need proper guidance, proper motivation, and their son and daughter, they have duty to listen to their teacher or to their parents to learn something new. Don't uh, react angrily, accept patiently, and as a student means just listener, be listener, listen and learn. That's important in that young age. So in this way, in the fourth passage, new words are come like this. Shrinking means making a loud noise. Reach, a chain of hills. Amusedly means here pleasuringly, means happily. Beckon, beckon means here to give a signal. And last, exhaust, that is wear out, means to finish somehow. Okay, after that, according to passage A1, A2, A3, A4 grammar. So let us see two grammar sentence. Number one, he saw a vast green sea. Change the voice. Again, you remember which word is verb. Saw. MA2, simple past tense. Active voice means your answer should be passive voice. So find where is object, a vast green sea. Then verb was where, was. MA3, seen, and subject by him. A vast green sea was seen by him. Passive voice we have to write. Number two, he dropped his legs, and here change into present perfect tense. So whenever tense question comes, you look at the verb. Drop means MV2, and we have to write present perfect, means have, has plus MV3. Answer, he has dropped his legs. After that, A5, personal response. How do you react after completing your work successfully? You are given such kind of work and you have completed successfully. So how do you react? So that reaction, definitely feeling proud, feeling happy, and feeling exciting, such a showing off. In order to complete our work, we pay our attention, we devote our energy, we spend time, money, strength, even though work is difficult, risky, tiresome, we continue our efforts, and finally we complete our work and we feel great joy and satisfaction. So in this way, fourth passage is completed. Now the lesson is completed here. After that, students, you remember below the lesson exercise is given, means that factual question, complex factual question, or vocabulary, language study, grammar topics are given with explanation. You also give attention, and writing skill. So these questions means warming up, margin questions, and below the lesson, all questions you have to write. Thank you.